your girl Stephanie here, and we are here with a mukbang. Alright, y'all. Y'all see those beautiful colors? Look at those beautiful. My hair is cut off. Dang it! Okay, so let's pray first. Lord God, we thank you for this food we're about to receive. Let it be nourishment for our body in Christ's sake. Amen. Hello, people. Hello, people. Hello. We have, y'all see that? We got a spinach wrap. Your girl is, I'm getting it in. Y'all see this? This is mushrooms, peppers, zucchini, and avocado. Y'all, and we have our mango sauce, and we got the coldest core water boiled too in the hills, and we have some hummus. Let me show you what we're gonna do with our hummus. We are gonna take our hummus and put it on here. Cause we gonna make some wraps tonight. Yes, we gonna make some wraps tonight. Okay. Let me move this down. So y'all can see. Let's transfer. So y'all can see what's happening. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yours. Let's make a wrap. So everything I have is vegetable. Oh. And look at them vegetables though. Don't they look good? Yes. They look good. I got a couple shout outs tonight. Let's see. Should I put a little up? Let's add a little bit of. It's okay that I put my spoon in here, y'all. I'm the only one to eat this. It's mine. So, no worries. No worries. Oh, y'all, look. I won Peace and Needs game. She had a game, guess her age, and I won. And she gave me a gift. Thank you, girl. She gave me some, oh, come on. It's 4 of them, but I used one this morning and the other one in the sink. She gave me some straws, and it came with a straw cleaner, which is cool because y'all know I got a cup that's made out of the same material that my other girlfriend gave me with a straw, and I'm like, I need to get inside of this thing. Okay, let's get started. Okay, how wrap it? Okay. Let's wrap. This ain't working out too good. It's gonna come out, I know it is. I should have did, it's another way I was supposed to do this wrap. It's another way I was supposed to do it. I know it is, but it's okay. Y'all, I'm gonna buy me a new one, hopefully this weekend, so it could just look a little bit better. Let's take a bite. Let's take a. Yeah. That was good. That was good. Y'all, before we go any further, let's pray for our troops. They under attack. over in the Middle East, in Iraq. They are under attack over in Iraq from Iran. Y'all been following, y'all know that stuff that happened. They general, our people killed their general, and they are peed off. And our people over there, we going back to war. So please pray for our children. I just saw that on the news. It was breaking news that they bombing the camp with short range rockets or missiles. One of the two. It don't make no difference. They both bad. They bombing them. Let's eat some of this, y'all. This stuff is good. Look at that. Look at the colors. Mm-hmm. Look at them colors. Ain't they cute? Ain't they good? So, but my heart goes out to them people. I pray, oh my God, that we don't have too many casualties. It will be a blessing that we don't have any. But I got 2 shout outs today. Oh, wait. Okay, wait, let's talk about this. Ricky Lake. I am so proud of her. Nothing bad. I'm so proud of Ricky Lake. Y'all know she suffered from hair loss. And I didn't watch the whole thing to find out why. I forgot napkins, so I'm like, yeah. And she suffered from hair loss. And so she been wearing wigs and stuff like that. I don't watch that often, but I used to watch her cooking show all the time. So she came out and told about why. So good. I guess about why she wears so many wigs, or I don't know. I don't know exactly what made her come out about it, as I didn't watch the whole interview. But I was just proud of her. The fact that she came out and that she not had, or don't be ashamed about it, you know. Because she is beautiful. She's a beautiful woman. And with hair or without hair, we are still beautiful women. You know, we go through so much, with or without, whatever we have to get rid of. I keep telling myself that. We're beautiful women, so hair don't make us, you know? Y'all know I ain't got none over here. I hate that sound. There's none over here. I just got braids going down the middle, and that's latch hooks. So I'm proud of her. No, we can't let the devil use nothing to make us feel bad about ourselves. But we do sometimes, you know? We do. I know I'm eating with my fingers. Okay, let's do our one shout out. I want to shout out Odette, Odette Young. Y'all go check out her channel. She has a beauty channel. She does beauty on her channel. Like makeup reviews and stuff, and she do makeup. She do fashion reviews on her channel. And wait for it. She has an online magazine. Yes, she has an online magazine. So go check her out. Next, Jay's World. Go check out Jay's World. She's a mukbanger. And she eat all kind of stuff. She talk about things, and she got some nice what you call them? I forgot what you call it. But y'all, yeah, she do mukbangs, and she y'all need to go check her out. She cool. She been supporting me. Every time I go live, she be right there. We over that. So give her some support too. Y'all go check her out, y'all mukbangers. She had 202 subscribers. So let's give her some support. Yeah. Y'all definitely support her. Because she work hard. She do videos. She got a lot of videos on her channel. She do videos all the time. I don't know what her schedule is. But I know she got a lot of videos. I'm in full. This was so good. This was a good dinner. Good dinner. Let's drink some water. So that's it, y'all. I need to wash my hands. I thank you guys for eating dinner with me. You know I love you with the love of the Lord. Y'all don't forget to be nice to someone, be kind to someone, hug and love somebody. Don't forget to keep our troops in your prayers. Subscribe to those 2 people that I shouted out, and thank you, Peace and Neats, for my gift. I love you guys with the love of the Lord. Y'all be blessed.